The man looked at the enlarged sample and became more and more surprised because the meteorite contained life cells and was dividing at an unimaginable speed. In just a few moments, they had become so numerous that they eventually broke the slide. You know, it took the Earth a long time to reach this rate of growth, but the creatures from the meteorite did it in just a few minutes. That means something terrible is happening in the cavern. By the time they get there with their gear, the scene in the cavern has changed. Look closely, there are mushroom-like fungus growing everywhere, and it's accompanied by a sticky feeling. They looked closely at the mist under their feet and realized that the ground was full of worms. Undaunted, the man picks one up with tweezers and examines it. He realizes that the worms die quickly in the presence of oxygen. This also suggests that the extraterrestrials may not be adapted to the Earth's environment. After taking samples of the worms back to study them, the man discovered that the creatures could reproduce asexually. It's an amazing thing. Then the army found out that a meteorite had landed here and caused a phenomenon. So they immediately came and surrounded the place. After a few days, they turned the desert into a military base. But the man had served in the army before. He took 2 sets of uniforms, put them on, and went straight into the cavern. To enter the cavern, they had to wear protective clothing, so they went underground again. Compared to the previous 2 changes, the cavern has changed dramatically, and there are all kinds of strange creatures everywhere. It doesn't look dangerous, but it's not safe at all. The man took out his collector and asked his companion to catch some bugs. At first, his companion was reluctant, but the man kept persuading him. He knelt down and said to the gentler bugs,